What's up guys, Ackeem Sterling here. Now in this video I'm going to do the review of this decoration man cave right here. As you can basically see, basically come in this package. I'm just gonna unbox it if you guys see basically what's inside and how it basically looks. So as you can see guys, I have the wall decor little man cave right here. So we're gonna put this inside my room to remind me of my great design inside my room right here. So this basically can stuck onto the wall. As you can see behind it, we have a card right here that can attach to any nail to hang it inside your room or in your man cave. As you can basically see, this outlook. I love the design right here. So it's made from hard wood like. This basically material is like ply material right here made from. So I'm gonna hook it up right now guys, make you see how it basically look inside my room. You guys can see this how it basically looks. I'm gonna put it right now onto this steel right here inside my room. I'm just gonna hang it up right here. I'm going to level it up like this. And this is how it basically look inside my room on the wall, which is looking really great. I love this great decor right here. Just gonna hang on the wall right here. So this is it guys. So I hope you find this video very helpful.